This is INFINIX Note 12 2023, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can set up and use the nearby share feature on this device. So the first step that I recommend taking is to enable Wi-Fi, Bluetooth and mobile data, or rather Wi-Fi, mobile data and Bluetooth in my case. Then among the available control panel tiles, find the one that is responsible for the nearby share, then touch and hold at its icon. From here, in order to activate the feature, you gotta simply switch on this toggle over there. Now you can rename the device if necessary. You can make it visible or invisible, and while it is visible, you can restrict its visibility from your devices to contacts, or to not restrict it at all and let your device be discovered by whoever is currently in range. Then you can also change the data mode that will be used for the file transfer. And now we are all set and the feature is ready to be used. So let me quickly test it out. So I happen to have another phone on me, so let me take a screenshot and try sending it through the nearby share. So here's my INFINIX. Well, and as you can see, the photo was both sent and received without any issues at all. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.